What if I told you AI could make you money while you sleep, without any skills? AI is taking over the world. And it's not just about ChatGPT. What if I told you that AI could start making money for you, even while you sleep? And the best part? You don't need coding skills, a fancy degree, or even prior experience. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to earn money with AI. All tested, proven, and completely beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start making Rs.10000 per day, or even more, step by step. Oh, and there's a surprise at the end of this video. Something you probably didn't notice about this video itself. So make sure to watch till the end. You don't want to miss it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more AI secrets like this. Let's get started. Method number 1. AI-generated digital products, passive income. One of the easiest and most passive ways to make money with AI is by selling AI-generated digital products. These are things like ebooks, printable planners, custom wallpapers, and AI-generated art, social media templates, AI-generated poetry or quotes. And guess what? People buy these every single day on platforms like Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and Gumroad. Step 1. Create a digital product using AI. Let's say we want to create an ebook on personal finance. Instead of spending weeks writing, we go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a 30-page book on smart ways to save money in India and the USA." Within seconds, AI will generate high-quality content for you. If you need a Hindi version, just type, "Translate this book into Hindi." Step 2. Design a beautiful cover with AI. Now, we don't want to just upload plain text. We need a professional-looking book cover. So we go to Canva AI and type, "Create a modern book cover for a finance guide, clean design, blue and white theme." And boom! AI generates stunning book covers in seconds. Step 3. Sell on Amazon, KDP, and Gumroad. Now, we upload our ebook to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Gumroad. Here's how much you can realistically price it. Rs.199, Rs.499 per ebook on Amazon, $5, $15 on Gumroad for a PDF version, and once it's uploaded, it sells on autopilot. Method number 2, AI-powered YouTube automation. No face, no voice needed. Imagine making money from YouTube without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Sounds crazy? It's possible with AI. Step 1. Generate video script with AI. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a YouTube script on how AI is changing jobs in India." Make it engaging and suited for a global audience. Step 2. Create AI-generated voiceover. This is where it gets interesting. Instead of recording your voice, we use 11 Labs, the most realistic AI voice generator. Here's how. 1. Go to 11labs.io. 2. Click text-to-speech. 3. Select a natural voice. Choose an Indian English or American English accent depending on your audience. 4. Paste the script from ChatGPT. 5. Click Generate, and within seconds, you have a professional voiceover. Tip: if you want a completely unique voice, use 11 Labs' voice cloning feature. Step 3. Create AI-powered visuals. Now, instead of filming, use AI-generated images and stock videos. Runway ML for AI-generated animations. Pexels and Unsplash for free stock videos. DID for AI avatars, if you want a talking face. Step 4. Edit and upload. Use CapCut or Canva AI to put everything together and upload your faceless AI-generated video to YouTube. Earnings potential. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. Some AI-focused channels earn Rs.50,000, Rs.200,000 per month just from ad revenue. Method number 3. Sell AI-powered services, high demand. Now, what if you want instant cash? The answer? AI freelancing. Step 1. Find high-paying AI services. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for services like AI voiceovers, AI-generated logos, AI-written blog posts. People are already making Rs.50000, Rs.10,000 per project doing this. Step 2. Offer AI voiceover services with 11 Labs. Here's an exact pricing strategy that works. Rs.500 for a 1-minute AI voiceover. Rs.2000 for a 5-minute AI narration. Rs.10,000 for a full audiobook narration. Simply use 11 Labs, generate the voice, and deliver to clients. It takes minutes, but pays thousands. Tip: find clients on Fiverr, LinkedIn, and even Facebook groups. Now, before we wrap up, let's play a little game. Guess how many AI tools were used to create this video? Was it 3, 5, maybe 10? Take a wild guess and comment below. The right answer might just surprise you. Also, if AI could write a song about you, what would the title be? Drop your funniest AI-generated song title in the comments and let's have some fun. All right, now let's get to the big reveal. Secret reveal. This video was made with AI. Now here's the biggest surprise. This entire video was created using AI. The script, ChatGPT wrote it. The voiceover, 11 Labs generated it. The visuals, AI created images and stock footage. The editing, AI-powered CapCut and Canva. This proves that AI can literally create a full video that makes money online. And if you're excited to start using AI for yourself, hit that subscribe button because I'll be revealing even more powerful AI money-making methods soon. Comment below. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? I'll be replying to some of your comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.